SKIDOS. As a parent, we want the best for our child. We want them to grow up emotionally intelligent, build great relationships, and make smart decisions in life. And that's why social-emotional learning from an early age is recommended by expert educators around the world.
Investing in your child's social-emotional learning is an investment in your child's future. It's the catalyst for their academic, personal, and professional growth.
Introducing SKIDOS Emotional Well-Being, the friendliest guide to SEL your child will ever meet. Here, you can embark on an interactive journey of self-discovery across 5 skill islands: self-awareness, self-management, social awareness, relationship skills, and responsible decision-making. Hop in with Moyo and learn these life skills with fun quizzes, exciting stories, engaging videos, and many more activities. Help your child express their daily feelings with our mood checker and understand themselves better. Explore the magic of SKIDOS Emotional Well-Being today in your child's favorite SKIDOS games on the App Store. Emotional well-being, where SEL meets fun?